Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Children, what did we do in the last class?
The worksheet of the next book.
Worksheet or the other book? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, what we are going to do is, do you have any doubt, children? Any problem? Any doubt in anything?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, fine. So, what are we going to do today? Let me just see to it. I'll write a
Ma'am, we
few
have to start
questions.
from
Yes.
page number 8.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to start from page number 8.
Page number 8. What is on page number 8?
Ma'am,
And
the
one page of the worksheet was left.
Good morning, ma'am.
Page number 8 of the workbook, are you saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. All of you have got your workbooks. There are students who do not have, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just meanwhile, okay, one of you please meanwhile send the picture. And you can also share the screen. Who will do that? I am allowing participant to share screen.
Ma'am, I have a computer. May I screen? May I share?
Any one of you can share. Please share page number 8. Click a picture and share it here.
Ma'am sent on the group.
What, beta?
Ma'am, the picture.
Your voice is cracking. I can't understand what you are saying.
Ma'am, I have sent the picture on the group.
Okay, on the class group you have sent.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children, please see it from there and start doing it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, sir, what do you have to do?
The 8th question is Deet Re Ufo. Now, what is Deet Re Ufo? Who will tell?
I'm true and
Ma'am,
false.
right.
Yes.
Should I share?
Tell true or false. Yes, beta, you can share screen.
Is it right now? Is it right now?
Yes, correct. Now read out the first one. What is the first one? Who will read out the first one?
May I?
Yes.
Ma'am, Le Canada S up pay
Est un pays, le Canada est un pays francophone. Now that's true or false? Re ou faux?
I'm true. I'm brave.
Ma'am, right.
Re. Very good. It's correct because Canada is francophone is a country, a bit of French speaking country.
Okay, ma'am.
So that's Re.
Ma'am, what is
Then-
the answer of the picture given in this page?
What is the picture?
Ma'am, the fifth one of
Regardez les images. Okay. Donnez les mots en français en mettant l'accent sur complexe. Okay, it's Vitor a dummy. Now where will? No,
Ma'am,
he's
I'm
having
asking the
dinner.
fifth part of.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
ma'am.
beta, he's having dinner. So in dinner, where do we put accent, circumflex? What is dinner called in French? Anyone can tell what is dinner called in French? It's called le dîner. And we have accent circumflex on letter I.
Ma'am, please repeat the spelling.
D-I-N-E-R. The spelling is D-I-N-E-R.
Okay, ma'am.
Now children, see here on my screen, all of you can see it. It will be written like this. The previous exercise was to put accent circumflex, that is missing. It's diner. What do you eat at 8:30 in the night? It's dinner time, right?
Dinner.
Then the first one is Ray, because Canada is a francophone. Second one, what is the second? Love from et la monnaie unique European. Is it love from? Is it the single European currency?
Ma'am, le euro.
Yes,
La
it's
euro.
euro. So that's going to be, it is 4. Correct?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Then, le drapeau français est rouge, bleu, brun.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Fu.
Yes, it's,
Ma'am, because in place of brune,
blue,
it
blanc,
will be
and
blue.
rouge.
it should
ma'am,
be
on-
rouge. In place of brun, it should be rouge. Then, on trouve le camembert on end. Now, what is on trouve? What do you mean by trouve? Trouve means it comes from the word, sorry, it comes from the verb trouver. Trouver means to find. And how we have conjugated it? En trouve. En comes like, en is conjugated
Ma'am,
like il,
What is
el.
helping someone?
Yes? When we
Calendar
talk
is
in
either
general, like
cheese.
one finds or we find, one finds le camembert on end. Is it found in India?
no, ma'am, France.
What is le camembert?
No, ma'am, France.
Ma'am, cheese.
Yes, it's a
Middle
fromage.
cheese for French.
So that's 4. Now coming on to the 9th question. Regardez l'image et répondez. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is the first question? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What do
And
you
what
see
is
in the
this?
image? What it is?
Ma'am, La Tour
Blood.
Eiffel.
Ma'am,
It's La Tour
Ma'am,
Eiffel.
Monument of France.
Stay
Yes.
there.
And what monument is it? It's La Tour Eiffel.
Ma'am, La Tour
And
Eiffel.
say la tour Eiffel.
Yes. So how are we going to write? In one whole sentence, we are going to write, when they are asking what is this, we will reply, this is La Tour Eiffel. So the answer will be say La Tour Eiffel. Okay. Où est-elle située? Now what is où? All of you know what où is?
Yes, ma'am.
And where?
Where is it
Where?
situated?
Yes. Where is it situated? Very nice. Où est-elle située? So how are we going to reply?
Ma'am, il est
Ma'am, it is
situé Paris.
Very nice. Now we want to say it is situated in Paris. And Paris is what? Paris is a city. So what do we put before cities? Who will tell? What do we put before cities?
And the.
Huh?
Ma'am, le.
No, not at all. Say situé. Now we have to say in Paris. Who will tell? Just think hard what we have learned to put before cities. Where do you live? Where do you people live?
Ma'am, India.
City, beta
Ma'am,
city.
India.
Ma'am, EN.
Ma'am, Bareilly.
Bareilly. So how do you say I live in Bareilly?
Ma'am, habitat.
Jabir. Jabir. I live in Bareilly. What have we been putting here since beginning? Before city. Huh?
I'm in. I'm in.
No.
Ma'am, EN.
No, not EN. EN comes before countries. All of you have forgotten, huh?
Yes, ma'am, I think so.
Ma'am, dons.
Jabita Bareilly. Forgotten?
Yes, ma'am.
C'est situé à Paris. It is situated in Paris. Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any doubts here? Till here, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we'll do is I'm going to give you a few questions here on the board and let me see if you can do them. Okay. You are supposed to translate these questions in French.
Ma'am, we need to write questions too.
Yes, definitely.
Ma'am, we will give it the heading of revision or just
Right.
Just revision right now, revision only.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
EN is also used for ma'am, in and dons.
See,
Ma'am, DANS is also
EN
used for
is
in.
also used for in. Don is also used for in. A is also used for in. Now we have EN, we use it before countries. Like I live in India. So we will not say I live dans and. Dans is used for a place, something inside. Like it is kept dans la chambre, dans la salle, dans la classe, inside something. When something is particularly inside something, you say dans for that. And a comes for places which have proper noun, like city names and all. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
All these three words are used for in only, but they have different uses. They are used differently.
Okay,
Can
ma'am.
I erase it?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we say museum in French? Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, the last sentence is not clearly visible for that.
Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the anthem is called La Hymn.
Anthem, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
All of you have done?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, the first sentence. Yes. Okay, those who've done, please send it on the class group. Let me see it there. I will check it there and let you know.
And can you tell me what is ma'am museum called in French? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell what is museum called in French?
Museum is musée. It's M-U-S-E-N-E. Musée. And a musée.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we will put UN1 or lay.
It depends on the sentence that you are framing. Suppose if you are saying only the name, like Le Louvre is in France, then you need not put un. And the other way is Le Musée de Louvre. No, un will not come in any case. You've sent it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Bhavya's sheet comes first. Le Musée du Louvre.
Ma'am, I have sent as well.
Okay, Le Musée. Beta, what is the word? Le Musée du Louvre dash en France. Why have you put NOS, NOUS?
Ma'am, because of its dualness.
But no means we.
Yes, ma'am.
So why will we come here? Le Musée du Louvre est en France. The Museum of Louvre is in France. It will be EST.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, send.
Okay, I have checked two papers. Now I'm coming on to whose? Riddhima's paper. Okay, children, why have you not put national? What is the spelling of national?
NATIONALE.
NALE. You've missed putting. No, it's Nasio. Lafayette Nasio. Leave the Nasio. No, it is fine. It's correct. Okay, here in Riddhima's sheet, beta, we have, see, Le Louvre Musée. The Louvre Museum. It means that it will not come like this. It will come Le Musée du Louvre. That's the correct way of writing it. Le Musée du Louvre. Now, Saksham, you have put is in France. And what mistake you have made is you have written à France. Now, this is what I told you before country names, we do not put this. What do we put? We put EN. If the country is
EN.
feminine, if it would have been a masculine country, we would have put AU. Okay, because France is a feminine country, we are putting EN before it. Then La Marseille, l'hymne national de France. Paris est la capitale de la France. Not capital V, capital city. No. If you want to put the word city, city will come before capital. Paris est la ville capitale. It is the capital city of France. Okay, whose paper? Aditya. La Musée du Louvre. Better not the Louvre, du Louvre. Le Musée du Louvre est en France. La Marseille est l'hymne national de la France. Correct. Only mistake is you have not put du before Louvre. It will be du Louvre.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right, we're done with this as well. Now what next? I think we should write 2 more sentences. The fourth one.
Can you tell what is also?
The Gruyere is also a cheese like camembert. Now you have done
Ma'am,
all
what
the
is
words.
also
You
called?
know all the words here. What is also, what is like.
Ma'am, we need to send the answer.
Yes.
Okay.
But wait, beta, I'm just typing one more sentence. I'm looking for a sentence like this that can be given to you.
Ma'am, should we send the answers?
What?
Ma'am, I have sent.
Done?
Yes, ma'am, sending.
Okay.
Ma'am, like is like, ma'am, in the French form of like, ma'am, we should write aimer.
We should write?
Ma'am,
No, beta.
ma'am,
See,
to like
now there
aimer.
is a difference. When we say to like as a verb, what do we use? We use the verb aimer. But here, Gruyere is also a cheese as camembert, like camembert. So in this kind of a like, we put com.
Okay,
Le
ma'am.
Gruyère est aussi un fromage comme camembert. C-O-M-M-E. Used as like or as.
I have sent.
Sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta. Let me go through them once.
Yes, ma'am.
Le Gruyère est aussi un fromage comme le camembert. De vin de France sont.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Okay. Aditya beta, the spelling of D-E-U-X. 2 needs to be corrected in your paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice. Only thing is when you name these wines, see in book also they have how they have written the names. They have written la and la before any cheese or any wine. So you're also supposed to give definite article when you write, frame these sentences. All of you. Bhavya. Le Gruyère est aussi un fromage comme le camembert. It should be like this. De vin de France sont Bourgogne, le Bourgogne et le Bordeaux. Riddhima Lamba. Okay, fromage is not un beta, it's un. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Le Gruyère. Very nice. Anyone's paper is left to be checked? I think I have checked all.
Ma'am, mine.
Ma'am, mine.
Whose?
Ma'am, Utkarsh.
Utkarsh?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
mine.
Utkarsh.
Angel.
Okay.
Ma'am, I sent the very first time.
Yes? What?
Ma'am, mine paper is the first one.
Yours is the first one.
And ma'am, mine is the second one.
Utkarsh. Okay, wait. Utkarsh lag Gruyère. Un again, Utkarsh, you have written un fromage. It will be un fromage. Com le camembert. It's not la camembert. It's le. L-E. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bourgogne et le Bordeaux. Okay. Utkarsh's paper has also been checked. Now I'm coming on to suctions. Anyone else is left?
Ma'am, mine, the first one.
Beta, tell me your name. I will look only
Ma'am,
for your
Angel.
name. Angel, okay. Angel, I can't see
Ma'am,
yours.
it's above
Beta,
me.
please resend it.
Ma'am, it's above me only. Ma'am, it's above me only.
Angel, okay, got it, got it. Le Gruyère et d'Océan fromage, comme very nice. The one, the François. Le Bourgogne et Le Bordeaux. That's the only thing. You have not put le before the names of wines. All correct. Now all corrected. Everyone's sheet has been corrected.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So I think we should end the class here. That's all for today.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. Any doubts? Anything you want to ask?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right.
Before birth to explain what we will put, ma'am.
Le, beta
LA
le.
or
You will
LE?
put LE before any cheese, any name of cheese or any name of wine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So you can move for your next class now.